Hello everyone, this is Greg Potter. I'm doing a video entry into Lockpicker 1969's giveaway. I am choosing to pick this Comando Lock. It's kind of become my comfort lock, just fun to pick, real crunchy, security pins, and when you use with the shackle guard, you actually have to pin it, or you have to pick it to open it and then pick it backwards, meaning pick it, rotate it to the left to remove the shackle guard, to be able to remove the shackle. For this entry, I'm just going to pick it one time without the shackle guard. These locks were praised by lockpicking lawyer Bosley and Bill and others because they are outstanding locks. Comando, I guess, reached out to the lock sport community when making their lock and took their advice and put together a good lock. Change my weapon to these guys. And forgive me if I've got bad lighting. Not the best video. This is my very first lock to ever pick on video. So there's that. And there you have it. Thank you very much.